All right, so if anybody doesn't know, these are called spool clamps. These are for clamping up acoustic guitar tops and backs, and they go all the way around and clamp everything together nicely. Now I have a couple of these already, which are right here, but I do not have enough to go all the way around an entire acoustic guitar. So that's why I need to build more, and I'm going to show you how you can build your own as well. I have here a 4-foot, 1.25 inch dowel to be the actual little spoolie part there. I have a bunch of lengths of 1/4 threaded rod that will cut down to the appropriate length. I have this 3/8 outer diameter, 1/4 inch inner diameter clear vinyl tubing to go on here and protect the guitar from the threads. And I have a whole bunch of 1/4 washers, T-nuts, and wing nuts in order to complete the whole thing here, as well as some sticky backed cork padding for the clamps. So the first thing we need to do is cut our dowel rod into 1-inch sections. The next step is not strictly necessary, but we're going to put a recess in half the dowels here so that the T-nut is sunken. That just eliminates the possibility of you scratching anything with it when you're trying to fumble with the clamp and get it on. So we're going to make a little jig with the bandsaw for the drill press so that we can hold these and make all of these as simply as possible. Too small. It's really frustrating. So the length I'm cutting all these to is 8 inches, or whatever that is in metric. I got all my pieces made and laid out here. 16 bottoms, 16 tops, 16 rods, 32 little rubber spacer things, and then my 16 washers, wing nuts, and T-nuts in there. Put the T-nuts in with the arbor press right there, and then it's just a matter of assembling all of the pieces to end up with 16 more of those. Spool clamps, more like cool clamps. For this job, they're the perfect tool. But if you don't have enough, then you will look like a fool. So we'll make enough and glue this guitar on.